Hello, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the WonderMill Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. There again, banana bread is one of those things that can either be healthy or not, tasty or not. We combine both, healthy and tasty, in the same bowl. It's going to be great. So let's just get right in there. Well, first of all, I ground my flour fresh, and I'm doing the Wonder Flour. Remember, the Wonder Flour is equal portions spelt, barley, and brown rice, ground on the finest setting on the mill. And then we have this beautiful whole grain, all-purpose flour that works great for all of your baking needs, especially for things like banana breads and brownies and cookies. It's wonderful. So we have our bananas here. We're just going to throw them right in the WonderMix with our shortening, and we're going to use butter. If you want to use coconut oil, absolutely. There's our butter, and we're going to take the sugar. And I am going to use coconut sugar today. Agave is another really good choice, especially when you're doing a cakey-like thing. Agave works really good. So we're going to take and put a couple cups of coconut sugar in here. Remember, coconut sugar is low on the glycemic index. It's a great sugar substitute for you. It's wonderful. And the flavor is going to really complement the bananas. So we're going to cream this together. And the butter was at room temperature. And then we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. And buttermilk for baking is really a great choice. It really lends to baked goods very well. And then we're going to mix that up. Oh, that already smells great. And then we're going to add 3 cups of our Wonder Flour, freshly ground. 1, 2, 3. And with the flour, we're going to put in a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to whip this up. Remove our wire whips. And I have my pans all ready to go here. I've already sprayed them. And we're going to pour our batter into there. About 3/4 full. Beautiful. We're going to bake this in a hot oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean, and you'll have delicious and nutritious banana bread. All thanks to our wonderful WonderMill and WonderMix mixer.